Hey y'all, it's Mike at the Dent Guy. We're going to walk through our damage assessment repair process for a small dent. We'll use the dent on this 2017 Ford Explorer as an example. First, we need to get the vehicle's information. This helps us to know what type of metal your car is and any difficult panels to access. After we measure the dent with a line board reflection, we check for access behind the panel. Luckily, the Explorer has a pre-existing access point by the handle. Now that we've measured and found access, we'll start our quote. We use an industry standard software called Mobile Tech RX. Our dent will start at a standard 2 inches medium depth dent. Then we add the factor that the dent is in a body line. Because a body line takes more time to repair, this factor will add time to the job. After the quote is accepted, we would then schedule for a convenient appointment. However, we have the Ford Explorer all ready to go, so let's jump right in. We're going to use protective tape at the access point to protect the paint. Now Dan, our master technician, can get started. Dan is manipulating the panel from behind to release tension in the dent. To finish the repaired panel, Dan will polish its exterior to check for any blemishes. This step often will remove any unwanted transfer from the area. If you have a dent or ding that you'd like us to look at, stop by the Dent Guy, located at 1184 Emerson Street, or go online to thedentguy.co.